Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing the ASA firewall and router next to each other, then pick the correct interface types, Gigabit Ethernet or Fast Ethernet, so speeds match. Configure host names and enable secret on both devices, then assign IP addresses within the same routing plan. Once done, make sure each interface is no shutdown and description labeled for clarity. I explain why. Consistent addressing prevents routing mismatches. Matching interface types avoids link negotiation issues and labels speed troubleshooting later. Now you physically connect the chosen firewall interface to the router interface using the straight-through cable, then verify the link is up. On the router, configure the interface IP and mask, and do the same on the ASA firewall interface using management or physical commands. Next, create a static route on each device that points to the opposite subnet, or enable OSP for dynamic routing if preferred. This step is crucial because routing information lets traffic traverse between firewall-controlled networks and the router. Finish by configuring ASA security policies, set necessary access lists, enable NAT as required, and place rules in the correct order so legitimate traffic is allowed. Then test connectivity with ping, and by establishing a TCP session, use Packet Tracer simulation mode to watch packet flow hop by hop. If traffic fails, check the common culprits: NAT rules that hide addresses, ACLs blocking ports, incorrect static routes, or an interface left shut down. One key troubleshooting tip: verify both device interface IPs and subnet masks first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.